Good day everyone, I am Luella Moya and I'm going to talk about some digital and conventional learning materials to enhance teaching and learning. The first one is Word Cloud. As you can see, it produces an attractive visual which can be very useful in forming the basis of many different types of activities both inside and outside the classroom. So what is a word cloud? A visual representation of information or data. It shows the popularity of words or phrases by making the most frequently used words appear larger or bolder compared with the other words around them. It contains a set of data such as a list of words, text from a blog post, or collection of written items like series of articles. To create a word cloud, you need a computer or mobile device capable of accessing the internet. You can produce a word cloud using a number of free websites. Many of the websites use a Java software plugin which works inside your web browser. This plugin is usually free and can be easily installed on your computer if it is not already. A digital copy of the text you want to use as the content for your word cloud. Some of the best word cloud generators for teachers and students or web tools for creating word clouds are TagCrowd, Wordle, Tagul, Worditout, Tagsido. Why are word clouds useful for language teaching? Word clouds can be created in minutes from any digital text simply by cutting and pasting. This means that you can produce these useful teaching aids from any authentic or web-based text to supplement your teaching materials. Word clouds can be easily printed for use in the classroom or added to web-based materials and word processing documents. They are very versatile and can be used in many ways to support language development. They are very colorful and therefore stimulating for visual learners. They can be collected and used to prompt memory and add to the level of cognitive engagement with a text. Next is the slide presentation. It is also known as a PowerPoint presentation. A slide is a single page of presentation. Collectively, a group of slides may be known as a slide deck. A slideshow is an exposition of a series of slides or images in an electronic device or in a projection screen. It's considered to be one of the easiest, most useful, and most accessible method to create and present visual aids. It is most often used for business and school presentations. It can include embedded images, audio, and video to provide better visual impact. For presenters, it helps to improve audience focus, increase visual impact, and also increase interactivity. For certain topics, PowerPoint slides help users in analyzing and synthesizing complexities. It supports and encourages teaching and learning processes. The most popular pieces of slide producing software are Microsoft PowerPoint, Prezi, Apple Keynote, Google Slides, and ClearSlide. Effects of PowerPoint presentation on student study. PowerPoint is an invaluable visual tool for classroom. Ease of use for students and teachers. Facilitates effective e-learning and distance education. Develops confidence in students. Customized templates for comfortable learning. Compatibility with third-party educational tool. Promotes interactive study. Development of in-depth knowledge. Up-to-date features. Increase attention span of students. Lively classroom discussions. Different benefits at the same time. Excellent revision tool. Development of job skills in students. Advantages and disadvantages of PowerPoint. Advantages: easy to create colorful, attractive designs using the standard templates and themes. Easy to modify compared to other visual aids such as charts, and easy to drag and drop slides to reorder presentation. Easy to present and maintain eye contact with a large audience by simply advancing the slides with a keystroke, eliminating the need for handouts to follow the message. The disadvantage are speakers create slides so they have something to present rather than outlining, organizing, and focusing on their message. The linear nature of PowerPoint slides forces the presenter to reduce complex subjects to a set of bullet items which are too weak to support decision making or show the complexity of an issue. Basic equipment required to present. You will need to have a computer and projection equipment in place to display the slides to the audience. The last one is the still images. A still image is data in which a grid or raster of picture elements has been mapped to represent a visual subject, for example, the page of a book or a photograph. What is still pictures in teaching? The several kinds of still pictures provide a media of learning and contribute to understanding in social education. The flat picture, stereograph, slide, film strip, and transparency provide valuable sources of material by bringing views and news of local and remote regions of both time and place into the classroom. What are the pictures important in teaching and learning? Instructors have reported that their use of images in the classroom has led to increased student interactivity and discussion. Teaching with images can also help develop students' visual literacy skills, which contributes to their overall critical thinking skills and lifelong learning. What are the advantages of using pictures in teaching and learning situation? Picture can translate abstract ideas into more realistic forms. Pictures are easily obtained, for example, from school books, newspapers, and magazines. Pictures are usable in different kinds of academic levels. And number 4, picture can save the teacher's time and energy. So that's all for my report. Thank you for listening.